Hello everyone. Our project is about advancement in monitoring air and water pollution using sensors in IoT. We are from Vailtech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Saguntala Engineering College. This is our final year project. My team member are Darshita and Monica Angelin. Batch number 17. Our project guide is Arshavardhini. Abstract of our project. Quality of air and water are the major factor that challenges the agriculture and environment. So monitoring the air and water is necessary to maintain a healthy environment. In this paper, we propose and develop IoT-based air and water quality monitoring system for smart cities. In this system, the real-time data of air and water is collected through sensors and analyzed to measure the impact on city dwellers. These data are compared to threshold value, sends an alert message if it goes beyond. These messages can be seen through Android application. Objective of our project: to identify the quality of air and water in the environment, to overcome the battery issue faced in existing system, to notify the application control area to take the necessary measure if the data of air and water goes beyond the threshold value. Problem statement: there are many electronic devices and systems are used to provide a pollutant monitoring. Communication between the devices is achieved by a long-range wide area network, that is LoRaWAN. The IR system is used for collecting data about ammonia, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, propane, butane, methane, hydrogen and ethanol. The IR provides a real-time alert when the concentration of one of these gases is excessive. Proposed system. The proposed system is mainly focused on checking the quality of air and water so that each of those entities are used effectively and maintain their health. The sensor technology will help the user in making better decisions and acts as a preventive measure at the right time. Here the system gets the basic knowledge about how the air and water quality can be tested and works based on that. Coming to the proposed architecture, here we have transmitter block. In that, MQ135, MQ7, MQ8 and P8 sensor are connected to the microcontroller, that is Arduino UNO R3. The sense data from the sensor are collected and fed into the microcontroller. These IP are converted into digital output which can be seen through LED display which is interfacing with Arduino. The data are stored in the cloud using ESP8266 IoT module. And next, receiver block. As earlier said, the data stored in the cloud can be accessed by the user through internet. When the user requests data from the cloud sends the requested data to the user using internet. Methodologies. The proposed system is consisting of different layers and it is divided into 4 modules: sensor layer, middleware layer, communication layer, cloud or application layer. Sensor layer. This is the first layer of a proposed system. It is responsible for capturing and monitoring different environmental parameters. For sensing or collecting the parameter, different kinds of sensors are deployed over the development. Middleware layer. It is designed for microcontroller. Sensed values are fed into the microcontroller and depending upon the threshold values of different parameters of monitoring field, it acts accordingly. Communication layer. The communication layer is responsible for data transmission. It acts like a broker between sensing layer and middleware layer, communicating the sensor reading to the proposing place. It is responsible to receive collected data from the sensor and to dispatch it appropriate storage device hosted on the cloud or web platform. Application layer. Different applications related to the air pollution are seen in the application layer. The functionality of this layer is to provide a platform for development, testing and deploy of the application, capable of sending requests to the retrieved raw data and information from the data storage facilities. This layer acts like a door for mobile and stationary device to access all the available informations.
Like earlierly said, this is our monitoring kit. You can see 4 different type of sensors, a LCD display, an Arduino board and an ESP8266 IoT module. To activate the kit, first the power supply is given and connected to the Wi-Fi. Then it will update the cloud of the previous information. Now we should enter the channel ID and API keys in the mobile application. And we can also select the sensor and also we can set the threshold value for each sensor. Now, some smoke is given over the sensor, so it will sense the air and show the data in the LCD display and update the cloud. The updated data can be seen in the mobile application by reloading it. For testing pH sensor, here I have some tap water. After dipping the pH sensor, it shows the value in the LCD display and it updates it in the cloud. Now we can see the pH value in the mobile application by reloading it. We can also see the data in the website with the graphical representation. Thank you.